we're supposed to walk to the center?
Yeah, walk to the center. We didn't get that right during rehearsal.
You didn't get that right.
Now, listen, Will, before we start
Yes.
tonight, there's something I'd like to say to Sir Howard Stringer.
Yes.
Later tonight, Sir Howard is getting the Person of the Year award from the PMDA.
Wow.
And there's a little story I want to tell you about that. You know, Will and I worked very hard on Men in Black, and we would get home usually around midnight or 1, correct me if I'm wrong, and every night the phone would ring, Sir Howard,
Yes.
and Will would be calling me, and he said to me, "Do you think Sir Howard's going with a translucent mirror?" And I'd say, "I think he is." And Will would say,
Yes.
wouldn't that get him to like 10 frames per second? I said, "No, I think it's 12 frames."
Right.
And you asked me if it was going to be a decent-sized sensor, and I thought you were going with the APS-C.
Yeah.
Anyway, I just want to congratulate you for all your hard work with the Alpha 77
Yes.
and the Next 7, which are fantastic cameras. And Will and I were with you every step of the way, every night, worrying if you were going to pull it off. And it's pretty
Wow.
great. Congratulations.
Congrats to you. That was great.
I
It happened every night.
Every night, Will and I would talk about
Do
it.
you have any idea what he was talking about?
Yeah. It was all that stuff that you do. You know, it's big time stuff. You know, the artists stay out of that. We stay out of that.
Yeah, good idea.
We're afraid of that.
This is what he wore that suit just to deliver those lines.
That's
Absolutely.
Right. Well, they're amazing cameras, and we've got an amazing movie.
Yes, we have a fantastic movie. That was just the teaser trailer for Men in Black 3. It was a lot of fun to make this movie. Back in the saddle for the third of a trilogy. As always, you know, it's difficult because you know the movies kind of get bronzed in people's memories. You know, so you're trying to live up to an idea that people have, and I think Barry did an absolutely fantastic job directing the movie, and you did a great job paying for it.
And let's hope you do a great job paying me back for it. Anyway, bless you for the movie. It's a great movie. Thank you for discussing Sony imaging without sounding too much like a show.
Sir Howard, the cameras are extraordinary. You know that.
I know that. Yeah.
No, Barry loves that stuff. He's really into all of that technical stuff. I just love how the stuff works.
And that award you said, I'm only getting it on behalf of Sony. I'm certainly not getting it for myself.
Okay.
No. Come on. We know the truth. We know the truth of all the hard work that you do. And when I win an award, usually, you know, it's because of me. It's the stuff I do.
Well, no, actually, it's because of the director. Often it's the director.
It's the director, yeah.
No, Will, that won't be that funny when you take your pants off like that. You know what? I don't know what you said.
Well, anyway.
That didn't go anywhere.
Anyway, we can stay up here indefinitely in mind. So thank you for coming. We look forward to the movie. You're a prince.
Thank you very much. Oh, see, I get it. You're the prince. Because of the show. I get it. That was like a pun.